So today I'm going to be trying on and opening the Slades by Flaneurz. So what exactly is the difference of Slades versus the regular Flaneurz that you've been seeing? So Flaneurz is actually the company that came out with Slades, which is their new product. So the regular Flaneurz were around like 475 euros, which is about 533 American dollars. And you could choose your own shoes that you wanted to be able to clip on to the plates and the wheels. So there's a bunch of different options for shoes, but now they came out with a more economical skate called Slades, and pretty much it's just a basic shoe, so it's either black or white that you can choose from. And these are only 200 euros compared to 475. And actually these aren't my skates, so my best friend ordered these to my house because she didn't know if she'd be traveling when they arrived, and pretty much she said that I could do an opening and try on of them. And when she got them, they were on pre-order when they first came out, so she got them for 150 euros, so pretty good deal compared to the 475. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys these and to finally open them, so let's just get started. Okay, first of all, thank you Ariel so much for letting me open these and review them and trying them on. You are such a kind soul. I'm actually really excited to try these on because I was considering getting a pair for myself, but we did just make some sneaker skates, so I'll hold off on my skate problem. All right. So it already says Slades, which is super exciting. Why? I feel like this is Christmas. And they're not even mine. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay. So it comes with a tool. I probably should have looked at how to actually put these on. I don't even know what this tool's for, but I'll look at that before I try them on. Dang! So here's what they look like. I actually thought they would be all white, but they have like gray on them, which is really nice. This is like a nice pair of shoes right here. Slades. I mean, the wheels seem pretty basic, honestly. Same with the plates. And the toe stops. I'm sure she's gonna be replacing the wheels and the toe stop. But yeah, this is what they look like. It's weird because these don't even look like you'd be able to clip them off. Like, they don't seem like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it seems like it's stuck. All right, so I'm gonna figure out how to try these on, how to clip these on, and then I will show you guys how that goes. But here they are. I forgot to mention that my friend pre-ordered these in June and they were supposed to arrive in October, but they didn't arrive until December. So the shipping took a pretty long time, so I'm not sure if that's standard for them or if that's just because she pre-ordered. So yeah, just a heads up, because it says that it takes a week on their website.
What you do is what the whole universe is doing at the place you call here and now.
A few moments later.
Alright, so that was actually pretty simple. So you just put this in and you press it like really hard and then just wiggle it back and forth with your palm. It feels so weird going from being on skates to just on a regular shoe. Okay, let's try this. What the heck? That is such a trip. So now we got them off. It's so interesting to like see what they look like underneath and feel them. That's so cool. And then let me see how heavy these are. So yeah, these wouldn't be bad to like carry around with you compared to a full boot. So I guess I can see where this would be like, I don't know, just really versatile if you're like going to the beach one day, which my friend lives by the beach, so I feel like these are great for her. And then you can just bring these in your bag as compared to like a full skate boot. And then these shoes are actually really cute and they go with a lot of things, especially because of the color. But stay tuned because we're actually dyeing these pink together, so we'll make a video on that soon. I am already out of breath and I am sweating. I don't know why I'm sweating. Okay, so the next step, we're going to try to put them on. Okay, so, oh gosh. Let me hold on to something. Oh, okay. I think that's hard. Okay, that's actually pretty simple. Okay, now the next one, hopefully. I bet if you just practice this over and over, you'll get more comfortable with it. But as of right now, yeah, the back was kind of complicated to get on. I guess it's just like knowing where the holes are. Maybe this will be easier. And then I'm gonna wiggle it back and forth. Let me see. What the heck? Oh, there it is. Okay. So you can definitely feel it when it goes in. I'm still not sure like the best way to do it, but I feel like wiggling the back of my foot until I feel it like really click in is the best method. Okay, so these are different than my usual skates because they're flat. I haven't skated on my my sneaker skates in a while, but actually I've been ice skating on flat skates, so I guess it's not too bad. Yeah, and they're really like, I was kind of nervous if they would feel secure or not, but they do feel, like once they're clipped in, they're clipped in. I wish I had more skates. actually sweating after all of that. But wow, these are actually really fun. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I was going into this video, or when I knew that I was gonna do the unboxing and try on, I wasn't 100% convinced about these skates. I just felt like, how could they clip on and actually feel secure? And like, would someone actually like benefit from these that much? Because like, personally, I just keep my skates in my trunk and I pretty much plan for the day. If I'm going to be skating, if I'm going to do a beach skate day, I'll park near where I am, and then after we lay by the beach, we'll kind of just like drop our stuff off and then grab our skates. But there has been a lot of times where, you know, we'll all like carpool, and I don't know, sometimes you end up lugging your skates around, or it's just a hassle to go back to your car and get your skates, depending on where you are. So I could see these coming in handy if you're like on the go and you might want to skate, you might not want to skate. Like, if you're a pretty big skater and, you know, you're just out and about and you see a cool spot that you want to skate, and you're already wearing these shoes and you're prepared for a random skate day, then I think these would really benefit that person, especially these like economical ones. I think this is like a decent price. Now, the ones that are 475 euros, I don't know, I still just think that's a lot of money. And this is coming from a girl who has a pair of Moxie skates, and I already thought that was a lot of money. It is an investment, but something you need to take into consideration is these are flat. When I made my sneaker skates, I just wanted, you know, like something that looks cool, something that's comfortable, something I can just throw on. And I didn't really take into consideration how much of a difference it is going back and forth between flat skates and heeled skates. But I noticed that I don't really use my flat skates. The sneaker skates that I posted a video of me making, I don't really use them that much, and I hate to say that because so much effort went into making them, and I love them and they're super comfy. But honestly, just going back and forth between heeled and flat is a big difference. So I would take that into consideration if you're thinking about getting a pair of these, or even if you're thinking about like, you know, making a pair of your own sneaker skates. It's very different. So either be ready to commit entirely to a flat skate, or just be ready to switch back and forth between the two. It's doable. I have a friend who derby skates, which are flat skates, and she also every week comes with us and uses her Moxie skates, which are heeled. So it's definitely possible, but it is a big adjustment every single time that you're gonna put them on. It's gonna feel weird. So please, yeah, take that into consideration before spending the money on these. But if you think this would fit into your lifestyle, I could definitely see these being a great pair of skates that you can just carry with you and not really have to worry about, you know, having that much room in your bag, because just the plate takes up way less room. Or if you're traveling, I think this would be a great skate to bring, because when I went back home to New Hampshire, my big debate was, do I bring my skates? Because they're big, they're clunky, and yeah, they still weigh a lot even with the wheels and the plates, even when you take off the shoe, because the shoe doesn't really weigh that much. But just like the clunkiness of it and bringing that on a plane or putting it in your bag, that was my biggest thing. So I feel like this would be great for traveling and on the go skating. So yeah, that's probably my like full review of these. Do I see myself getting a pair? Honestly, I don't think I'll be getting a pair, just because I don't really skate as much as I used to. Maybe I'll think differently next summer because it's kind of getting colder out. But in the summer, it's more like a, hey, you know, every day is just a, maybe we could skate today type of day. But yeah, these are definitely sweet, and I'm so thankful that my friend let me make this video and even try them on before she even tried them on. Shout out to Ariel, love you so much, girl. And I cannot wait to dye these skates with her. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're going to be dyeing these pink. I mean, I gotta check in with her, see if she still wants to do that, because this is a nice color that goes with everything, but my girl loves pink, so yeah, we'll see what's up. Thank you again so much for watching my video. It seriously means the world to me. If you could please just give a like, comment, or subscribe to my channel, that would really help me make more videos like this. Definitely gonna be making more roller skating videos in the future. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and thank you once again so much for watching. Bye.